back to the channel. Well, I was on my way home from work. Of course, I'm in the wife's car today, and I decided to go ahead and make a video. I kind of didn't want to make a video about this because it's not something that's going to happen in the immediate future, but it is coming pretty soon. And as you know, I've been doing a lot of stuff with my car, and you know, getting it where I want it, and it's getting close to the end of race season, so I'm almost done with the modifying on it for right now. Now during the winter, we will be doing other stuff. We will be doing oil pump gears and stuff like that, getting it ready for the next season, drag race season. So because as you know, I love drag racing. It's just something I love to do. And guys, leave a comment below. I have been thinking about actually entering in, starting on, they have the Friday nights test and tune grudge racing, and I really enjoy doing that. But they do have, they have bracket excuse me, they have bracket racing on Saturdays and stuff like that. So I have thought about, since the car is very consistent, I have thought about entering into the bracket race just to have fun with it, guys. So guys, if that's something you would enjoy watching, let me know, you know. But anyway, back to what I was wanting to make this video about. Since I was in the car and I said, you know what, I'm in the car, let's do it. I need a video for Wednesday anyway, so why not? So my plans for this car, as you know, I did take the 47-pound injectors that come with Roush supercharger kit. I took them out and replaced them with the 56-pound injectors I bought from VMP. So I have 47-pound injectors just sitting in a box. So I thought about selling them, but you know, then I was just like, okay, I do have a 15 GT, my wife's car, so why don't I do this? Why don't I get an intake, an 18 intake manifold, put the 47-pound injectors in, and do an E85 tune. Let's see what this car will do. You know, it ran a best of 8.1 at 87 mile an hour and about 1900 DA on street tires with a 1.9, I want to say 1.9 something 60 foot. I will find a picture of it and throw that up so y'all will be able to see exact time slip, because I do not want to lie to you, but I don't think I am. I think it was a 1.9 60 foot, but I do know it was an 8.18 at 87 mile an hour, I believe. That's the plans, guys. That's the plans for this car. I don't know how soon everything will be happening, but I do know that Daryle from Wengerd Performance, who tuned my car, will be tuning the car, and so we're going to see what we can get out of this car. It does have a Performance Pack 1 on it now from Ford, which is the GT350 throttle body, the GT350 cold air intake, and the Ford Performance tune. So I do not know if I'll be using the GT350 cold air intake and everything and throttle body with the 18 manifold. I'm going to talk to Daryle about that and see what he thinks. But y'all will know when it happens. But guys, that's going to come. It will come before the end of the season. I will have the manifold, the tune, the injectors all in the car, just to see what we pick up on this car NA. Because guys, can't everybody afford to have a supercharger? And I understand that, because you know, what you see in the videos is that I bought the 17 after the 18 messed up and I threw a supercharger on it. But what you don't know is that I had been saving for that supercharger for a while. For my first 17 GT, I was saving up to put one on that, because I used to have an 03 Cobra, and I got rid of the 03 Cobra and I wanted a forced induction Coyote. And so I had the 17 GT, and I was going to do it on that, and then I got rid of it, and I got the 18 GT, and I was planning on putting a Whipple on that car. And then all that stuff happened with that, and then I got the 17 GT, so that's when I went ahead and I bought the Roush TVS to go on that. So, and that's kind of how that car has progressed. And I'm extremely pleased with that car, guys. That car is still on an 80mm pulley. It's running in the 10s on 93 pump, full weight premium car. So to me, I'm highly impressed with that. And we still got a few little tweaking to do, and we're gonna get it back. We're gonna get the DA down, so we're gonna be able to get one of those Hail Mary passes I see everybody running around bragging about, in that low DA. So we're gonna get a low DA run in that car and get one of those Hail Mary passes. And the reason I really don't, you know, I love those Hail Mary passes where you're getting low DA and you get one heck of a run. But guys, I live in the South and I don't get those Hail Mary passes very often. So basically, whatever it does in normal DA that I have my normal DA that I run at during the summer is 2,000 to 3,000 DA. So that's what I care about with what the car runs. That's where I want. I have a number in my head I want it to run right now, and we're almost there. We just got to tweak first gear out a little more, and it's going to be perfect. And I can't wait to see what Daryle from Wengerd Performance does with this car, with the 18 manifold and the injectors and E85 tune. E85 is not plentiful everywhere, so it will have a 93 tune and an E85 tune. And I might have them go ahead and set it up on a flex fuel tune, but I'm going to have a dedicated E85 tune also. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I know it's not really eventful, not a whole lot of action going on, but I kind of wanted to give y'all, I was on my way home, I kind of just want to give you a heads up of what's going to come with this car in the future since I was already in it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave comments below, tell me what you think. You know, like I said, not everybody can afford a supercharger, so I kind of want to just give everybody, I kind of want to go in a route with this car, kind of beef it up a little bit so people can see actually what you gain. And honestly guys, the 18 intake manifold is not expensive at all. It's around, you know, $280, $300, sometimes cheaper. And then the injectors, if you had to buy the injectors, I believe they're $250. So, and then, you know, most tuners, you know, you get a tune, you know, around $300 or $400 depending on the tuner. So it's not a really expensive setup, and we're going to see what the car will do with that setup. So guys, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.